So hey everyone, I'm back again with another ROM review. Here, this is Shwetang Shastri and this is Poco X6 Pro and you are watching Tech Anusandhan. So today we got this unofficial ROM from Rising OS. Basically this is based on Android 16. This is Rising OS version 8.1. I hope it is visible. Let me lock the focus. Now let's get start this. By the way, this is Poco X6 Pro and here we have this another unofficial ROM for this Poco X6 Pro, and today we are going to run this and test everything out, what is working and what is not. So I've been using this since morning and I found so many things. Like, by the way, battery backup is not that good, that much it used to be in AOSP. It does drain battery when you use gaming mode or you use power tool. Let's start with, this is the same AOSP ROM. If we go in a quick settings, we get Android 16 new with gadgets and everything. You do get gaming profile, performance profile in this ROM. So let me show you first customization it comes with. You just have to go in this personalization and then you will see themes. You can use themes, you can even change boot animations now. You can add boot animation, you can change icon pick. These are the new or previous icons, like this is Pablo UI, Rounded, Sam, Xperia, that we used to use in Sony Xperia phones. Then we have this settings, UI, dashboard, settings, style, search bar style, and setting icon. We can use Oxygen OS Legacy or Rising OS 2 Material or Color OS. We can use anyone we want. We do get, by the way, we do get here power tools and power reboot. You can directly go in a fast boot or recovery mode. Here is you can change different type of brightness, slide style, hide navigation bar. You can try different type of navigation styles, and we do have notification like Cyberpunk, iOS or layers. We have this signal icons, you can customize. You can even turn it into a गांजे की पत्ती. कहाँ गई मैं दिखाता हूँ. Literally there was a icons like गांजे की पत्तियों जैसा. ये तो नहीं है. They removed or what? This is signal that was in Wi-Fi icon. I'll show you, wait. You can change progress bar style, and then we have this screen off animation, CRT. I like this old TV style. By the way, I have tested, fingerprint is working fine even though screen is off. When screen is off it doesn't work, but once you open it then it works. Let me go in setting and see if we can use this in screen off. Security, device unlock, fingerprint. In other ROMs we do get unlock when fingerprint. Yep, there is the option, screen off fingerprint unlock. There is option, you can turn it on, and then screen off if the screen is off, and fingerprint will still work. In this my device working because I have a different Goodix fingerprint sensor. Some devices have different fingerprint sensors, so this doesn't work in those devices. We do get rising walls. You can use it to get customization for graphics. By the way, this comes with this Wukong wallpaper. I do like it, kinda. Let's get back to the customization. You just have to go in personalization and then we were in themes. Here is the Wi-Fi icon. Let me show you that गांजे की पत्तियाँ. ये आ रही है, देखो. Can you see it? Weed. Damn. Leave it. We do get volume, like the way we get here. You can use different volume panel, like outline, gradient. There is so many. I don't like all this customization. I just don't understand why do people use it. By the way, I do face it. Sometime it's lagging. I don't know why. I feel like it's lagging sometime. Even though here it is working fine, the smoothness is, it is very smooth, but sometime I feel like it's lagging. It even lags. Then here we have this toolbar. You get extra toolbar. You can use these like game feature, ideal, RAM boost, and freeform launch. You can use multiple windows, like small windows, and use it at the same time if you are a Tony Stark and you want to do multitasking here. Okay. Burn in protection. This is for OLED, like prevent burn in OLED device by shifting pixel every so often. I don't know what is this. Let's come to this security. We do get hide developer option, hide app list, hide screen capture, and no storage restriction, and ignore window secure flag. Like बैंकिंग एप्स में जब स्क्रीनशॉट लेना होता है ना, उसके लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है इसको. We do get spoofing here. You can spoof your devices, Google Pixel device, Tensor chip, and get unlimited Google photos, or use special Gemini features, or you can use special Google Photos feature like circle and remove. Every device can use it, but when you turn it on, you get more extra features. You get backup and restore here. I have never used this, never. Let's get back to the colors. We do get colors. You can just choose any. Like if I choose to spirit, damn, it's just suddenly changed. It's like ambient of the device. You can choose different. Even you can choose color from the home wallpaper, color source, so it will resemble from the home screen wallpaper and make the ambient like that. Let's get back to the next thing. Clock face. We do get clock different styles. Not like the HyperOS, we get so many, but we do get amazing. You can even change alphabets. Like suppose I'm using this, you can use a different fonts for the clock. There is so many. You can try them all. By the way, link in the description if you wanna flash this. By the way, a few days ago I was not able to add links, but now I'm able to. Links are going to update it very soon. The video verification got verified. Now let's see when I could update links. You can turn on this data usage and you will be able to see how much data you have used. By the way, 5G is working fine. I have even used 5G, even Bluetooth is working fine, nearby share is working. Even I don't know how to use NFC. I used to use in my other apps like Google Pay or other apps. They do support NFC. I haven't used in this device, but yeah, it does show it's turn on or turn off. I don't know it's working or not. I haven't tested because I need to fix the integrity, and I'm gonna fix it very soon. Then I'm gonna post it. Let's get back to some other things. There's nothing else, just customization. And I know you don't do, you also don't like it. You can customize quick settings, add header image, and many more. Status bar customization, and we do get here gestures. Let's leave them and do a main test, that is gaming test, that we all are excited to see. Let's see how it performs when it comes to gaming. I did play game, but I did not like it because even after unlocking 120 FPS, it performs like 60 FPS, and that sucks. I have turned this FPS meter. You just see it once, you will say I just don't want to use it for gaming. But yeah, I want to tell you a few more things. Like when it comes to PC emulation, it works fine on this AOSP ROMs. I mean, when you use GameHub or any other emulator or WinLater or Bionic WinLater, those works amazingly on these AOSP type ROMs. Let's test this. I'll show you that. By the way, I have set 120 FPS, but it is still stuck at 60. I just don't know why. Let me show you the graphics. It's see ultra extreme and still not. It goes 45 FPS. I just don't know what is wrong with this AOSP ROM. And even I feel lag in this. Can you see how much it is lagging? And now let me go in a power mode. There is something called power tools. You just have to go in this battery, and then you will see this power tools. and then let me put it in a gaming mode. You'll see some improvement. See, now it is in a gaming mode. Damn, it is, see, it just gone to 120 fps and then again back to 60. भाई 60 fps, इसमें तो मैं HD पे खेल सकता हूँ यार. Other devices do support 60 fps at HDR. एक तो किल दे दो यार, किसी को पीछे से मार देगा. अबे भाई 30-40 fps चला जाता है एंड लिटरली मेरा मन नहीं है इसके आगे इसको टेस्ट भी करने का. ठीक है, आई डिड गेव इट अ टाइम, like I did 2-3 reboots. I've been using it since 5 in the morning. I flashed this ROM in 5 in the morning. I just don't know why it is performing like this, but yeah, I want to tell you that. But it's good ROM for like if you are AOSP lover. By the way, let's test the camera. Camera is working fine. See, 0.6 working fine, 1x, 2x. What was that? That was some kind of glitch. By the way, how is this artwork? I just want you guys to rate it out of rate this artwork out of 10 and comment down. Do you like it or not? Let's get back. So this was the review about this Rising OS 8.1. Thank you so much for watching. Yes, I want to tell you that it comes with BCR and this is new Accord. This is good app for like listening music, I guess. I did use it past ago, but I don't use it anymore. Yeah, this ROMs comes with very debloated, I mean very less apps, very core G apps. You have to download all these apps. Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected. If you found this video useful, do subscribe and please like this video. By the way, so you don't have to test the ROM. I do test like this, and I do test many ROMs. Just comment down which ROM you want me to test, and then I'll share everything you need to know. By the way, thank you so much for the developers. They do very great work doing this. Bye bye.